Hello guys, good day. So for today's video, meron po tayong i-review na 2015 Toyota Fortuner V Variant 4x2 automatic transmission. So, let's go! So guys, ito po yung ating pinabentang unit. This is the 2015 Toyota Fortuner. Meron po siyang automatic transmission, 2.5 na D4D turbo intercooler, turbo diesel. Yung mga tires po niya is brand new, 4 po na bagong gulong. So as you can see, yung kanyang outside is very fresh. Well maintained po yan, makinis na makinis, almost brand new condition. Yung kanyang mga papers is ready for transfer, kompleto po. Naka-register din po yan, updated. So this is the V variant Toyota Fortuner. Maayos na maayos, makakapal po ang kanyang mga gulong. Wala po yung any issue. Ang kanyang interior